Hello children, welcome to AIMS India online class biology session organization living beings. So we have completed the lesson yesterday. In the lesson we have studied about what is organization, the types of levels of organization, and details about the animal tissues and plant tissues in brief we have studied. So let us go through the questions which appeared in different competitive exams from this lesson. Okay, ready children? Let us start. This is the assessment 1. Both level 1 and level 2 are included in this, so only one assessment from this lesson. Okay, so see, listen the question carefully. The lowest level of cellular organization is cell, organism, tissues, organelle. Which is the lowest level among the following? Cell. Okay, cells combine to form the tissues, tissues combine to form the organ systems, organs combine to form organisms. Okay, so there is one chart you have to remember, that a sequence. First atoms combine to form the molecules, combine to form the macromolecules, combine to form protoplasm, combine to form the cell. Cell is the basic unit of all living organisms. So cells combine to form the tissues, tissues combine to form the organs, several organs combine to form the organ systems, and several organ systems combine to form the organism. This is the organization in the living beings. Okay, so here the lowest level is cell. Next, a group of similar cells which perform a particular function is called a organism, organelle, tissue, organs. The group of cells which are similar and perform the particular function are called tissues. Group of cells are called tissues. Two organ systems in plants are roots and stem, root system and shoot system, stem and branches. It is the root system and shoot system. A level of organization above the population is, okay, organisms combine to form the, again further organization, if you take organisms combine to form the populations, several populations combine to form the communities, several communities combine to form the ecosystem, several ecosystems combine to form the biosphere. So here community. Biosphere consists of atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere. Atmosphere and hydrosphere, ecosystem only, abiotic components. A biosphere consisting of several group of ecosystems. Okay, see. Next, biotic component consists of only plants, all organisms, only animals, organisms and their environment. So biotic community consisting of all living organisms, all organisms. Okay, a trachea is a part of digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system and circulatory system. Trachea, windpipe, it is a part of respiratory system. Bones and cartilage are the part of skeleton system, respiratory system, muscular system, excretory system. So which system? Skeleton system. A framework of bones together form the skeleton. Next, the lowest level of organization is, once again here, cells, biosphere, atoms, molecules. So which is the lowest level in this? It is the atoms. Next, the basic unit of all living organisms is Cells, tissues, organs, organisms. Cells. Next, which one of the following hierarchy is correct? The sequence is correct. Atoms, cells, tissue, atoms, cells, systems, organs. Tissues, cells, systems, organs. Cells, tissues, organs, system. Atoms, cells, systems, tissues. Which one is correct? So among these, the sequence number 3 is exact. Next, which one of the following is not an organ? Heart, lung, kidneys, muscles. Okay, which one is not an organ? So it is the muscles. Which of the following explains a community? A group of organisms found in several habitats, a group of populations found in several habitats, a group of many populations of different species living in the same habitats, a group of animals interacting with non-living things. So it is the group of populations, group of many populations of different species living in the same habitat. Which of these is a producer? Plants, animals, fungi, bacteria. Plants are called producers because they prepare their own food and prepare food material for different organisms on this earth. Dash is an example of tissues found in animals: conducting tissue, ground tissue, epithelial tissue. It is the epithelial tissue, fundamental tissue in the animals, epithelial tissues. Biotic along with abiotic components form an organism, ecosystem, organ, organization. It will form an ecosystem. Next question. Dash is an animal organ that pumps the blood throughout the body: heart, ear, stomata, lungs. It is the heart, the pumping organ of transport system in animals. A group of the species living in a specific geographical area at a given time forms a cell, population, biosphere, community. Here the group of species is given, so it is a population. Organisms in a community are dash for their food and energy requirements: independent, interdependent, dependent, none of these. So definitely interdependent. Plants depend on animals, animals depend on plants for different aspects. So plant community and animal community together form the ecosystem. Dash helps or help in regulation of the body temperature: heart, skin, bones, ovaries. It is the integument system or skin which regulates the body temperature. Blood cells are produced by bone marrow, heart, lungs, blood vessels. The bone marrow, the tissue present in the middle of the bone, will form the new blood cells by mitosis, cell division. The dash system provides movement to the body: reproductive, nervous, circulatory, skeleton. It is the skeletal system which provide movement to the body. It gives support and movement. Dash is a part of nervous system: spinal cord, skin, heart, lung, liver. So brain and spinal cord are the parts of nervous system. So here spinal cord is given. A is the right answer. So these are all level 1 questions. The respiratory system helps in photosynthesis, oxidation, energy production, digestion. Respiratory system helps in energy production. Next, excretory organs in the human beings are lungs, kidneys, skin. So major excretory organs are kidneys, but lungs and skin also involves in excretion. So all of these. The process of producing young ones of its own kind is called photosynthesis, digestion, reproduction, excretion. It is reproduction. Which of the following is a protective tissue? Muscular tissue, connective tissue, epithelial tissue, nervous tissue. So among these tissues, epithelial tissue is the protective tissue. Okay. The tissue which forms the internal lining of organs is nervous tissue, epithelial tissue, connective tissue, a muscle. It is also epithelial tissue, forms the internal lining of organs. Next, nervous tissue consists of nerve cells, tendon, cytosol, lymph. Nervous tissue is composed of neurons, nerve cells. Short branching structures arising from the cell body of a neuron are called axon, cyton, dendrites, lymph. It is the dendrites. The muscles which take part in breathing movements are involuntary muscles, cardiac muscles, voluntary muscles. All of these. It is the involuntary muscles which are present in the breathing process, present in the lungs. The muscles found in the heart are voluntary muscles, cardiac muscles, involuntary muscles. All of these. The muscles present in the heart are called cardiac muscles. Which type of tissue form the thin surface for the exchange of gases in the lungs? Which type of tissue form the thin surface for the gas exchange in the lungs? Epithelial, connective, nervous, muscular tissue. It is the epithelial tissue which form the lining for the exchange of gases in the lungs. The epithelium which lines the inner surface of stomach of man is made up of squamous epithelium, pseudostratified epithelium, columnar epithelium, and stratified epithelium. So it is the columnar epithelium which is present in the stomach, inner surface of stomach in man. Which one of the following epithelial cells repair the injured skin? Columnar epithelium, sensory epithelium, squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium. It is the, once again, columnar epithelium involved in the repair of the injured skin. Inner surface of the intestine is lined by muscles only, epithelial tissue only, several types of tissues, epithelial tissue, muscles, both of these tissues. Inner surface of intestine. Inner surface of intestine is lined by epithelial tissue only. Okay, let us answer this, match the following. Okay, fat, column 1, fat storing tissue, osteoblasts, fibroblasts, cartilage. And the column 2, bone, areolar tissue, shark, adipose tissue, and eopinna. Okay, here the fat tissue, it is called the adipose tissue. Osteoblasts, these are the special type of cells present in the bone. Fibroblast cells, the fibroblast cells are present in the areolar. Areolar tissue is composed of different types of cells we have discussed. They are fibroblast cells, mast cells. Okay, and the cartilage is the soft connective tissue present in shark skeleton, as well as the ear pinna is made up of our external ear is also made up of cartilage. So here 37 S, 38 P, 39 Q, 40 R comma T. So here analytical approach type questions. So these type of questions carry 4 marks in the exams which we conduct. So single correct answers carry 2 marks. In the section 1, all single correct answers which include conceptual understanding questions. Okay, so each question carries 2 marks. Total 10 questions will be there. 10 twos are 20. And in the second section, this is multi correct answers or analytical approach type. So which each question carry 3 marks. Okay, each question carry 4 marks. So 3 questions will be there, 12 marks. And match the following, that is multi matrix type questions. So 4 will be there, 4 to the 8, total 50 marks paper whenever we conduct a exam on this NEET, it include. So these type of questions you need to understand. So analytical approach type, nervous system consisting of brain, spinal cord, nerves, sense organs. So you have to analyze the question and you have to select the options which is correct here. Let us analyze. So here nervous system contain brain, okay, spinal cord is also correct, nerves are also correct, even sense organs are also correct, because brain and spinal cord are connected to the sense organs only. First, the sense organs made up of the receptor cells connected to the brain, from brain to the spinal cord the informations will be passed. So all together, all of these is the right answer. Next, which of the following are the components of biosphere? Hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, flora and fauna. Okay, so hydrosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere and flora and fauna. So biosphere includes all these. Next, smooth muscles occur in vein, artery. Vein and artery are blood vessels. Uterus. Okay, so mainly artery and uterus, these two consisting of smooth muscles. So B is the right answer. Next, the epithelial tissue performs the following functions: sensation, secretion, absorption. Which is correct? Okay, the epithelial sensation is correct. The gland cell secretion is also correct. It also helps in absorption. So all of these. Next, the questions which are appeared in the previous contests, means how much importance this lesson is for NEET exam. So different universities, previously pre-medical test it was called, later JIPMER and AIPMT, All India Pre-Medical Test it was called. Okay, then AIIMS, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Okay, BHU, Benares Hindu University. So like the different universities conduct the medical entrances. So what are the questions which are repeated in the previous contest? Let us go through. Pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium is found in pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium is found in mouth, stomach or esophagus, kidney, trachea, bronchi and nasal cavities. So it is present in the trachea, bronchi and nasal cavities. The skeleton tissue found in the mammalian pinna Himachal Pradesh PMT, pre-medical test. The skeleton tissue present in the mammalian pinna means ear. So that is cartilage, no doubt. So which type of cartilage? Calcified cartilage, fibrous cartilage, simple cartilage, elastic cartilage. It is the elastic cartilage. Transitional epithelium is found in Armed Force Medical Colleges in 1997. This question appeared. So larynx, vein, kidney, ureter and renal pelvis. Transitional epithelium is found in. It is found in the ureter and renal pelvis. Next, the ciliated columnar epithelium. Ciliated columnar epithelium occurs in bile duct and esophagus, eustachian tube and stomach lining, fallopian tubes and bronchioles, fallopian tubes and urethra. It is found in the fallopian tubes in the female reproductive system and bronchioles in the lungs. The difference between bone and cartilage is of collagen, blood vessels, lymphatic vessels, Haversian canals. Yes, bones contain special canals. They are called Haversian canals. This is the main difference between the cartilage and bone. Collagen is present both in the bone and cartilage. Choose the correctly matched pair. AIPMT, All India Pre-Medical Test. Areolar tissue, loose connective tissue. Cartilage, loose connective tissue. Tendon, specialized connective tissue. Adipose tissue, dense connective tissue. So here areolar tissue and adipose tissue, these two are loose connective tissue. So here according to matching, A option is correct. Areolar is the loose connective tissue. Smooth muscles are. So this question appeared in the NEET 2016. NEET, National Eligibility and Entrance Test. So at present all medical tests come under one umbrella, that is NEET. Okay. Smooth muscles are involuntary, cylindrical, striated or voluntary spindle shaped, uninucleate or involuntary fusiform non-nucleated, voluntary multinucleate, cylindrical. So involuntary is the one option. So in the option A and C you have to select the right one. So it is because in the option A striated is given, so it is not the characteristic of smooth muscle. So here C option, involuntary, fusiform and non-striated. Next, the fibers associated with the phloem are Jammu Kashmir Common Medical Entrance Exam, just like EAMCET. Fibers associated with phloem are hard fibers, wood fibers, surface fibers, bast fibers. So the phloem fibers are called bast fibers. Next, a living mechanical tissue having cellulosic wall thickening is. So living is given. So mechanical tissue, sclerenchyma and collenchyma, these two only. So here sclerenchyma, collenchyma, parenchyma and erenchyma is given. Among these two, the living one is collenchyma. Which one has perforated walls? Tracheid, vessel, fiber, sclerids. So AIEEE. It is from the 2004 AIEEE. This question appeared. So among these, which one has perforated walls? That is vessel. The specialized epidermal cells surrounding the guard cells are called. The specialized epidermal cells surrounding the guard cells are called complementary cells, subsidiary cells, bulliform cells, lenticels. So it is the subsidiary cells which are epidermal cells that guarded, they are guard cells present in the stomata. The cortex is the region found between endodermis and pith, endodermis and vascular bundle, epidermis and stele, pericycle and endodermis. In the cross section, if you observe, you will find the cortex in which region. The cortex is present between the epidermis and the stele. Which of the following is made up of dead cells? The questions in the end, we are coming across the neat questions which appeared recently. Which of the following is made up of the dead cells? Xylem parenchyma, collenchyma, phloem, phloem. It is the phloem, bark. Okay, it is made up of dead tissue. Xylem parenchyma is living, collenchyma is also living, phloem is also living. The vascular cambium normally gives rise to phelloderm, primary phloem, secondary xylem, periderm. So vascular cambium normally gives rise to secondary xylem and secondary phloem. Okay, so here secondary xylem is given. Next, a simple tissue with both mechanical and physiological functions in young dicotyledonous plant is. So this is the question appeared in the EAMCET 2002. Okay, the AP and Telangana, these two states conduct this EAMCET, Engineering and Medical Common Entrance Test. Okay, a simple tissue with both mechanical and physiological functions in young dicotyledonous plant is meristematic tissue, parenchyma, sclerenchyma, collenchyma. So it is the mechanical and physiological functions. This is collenchyma. Okay. Dividing cells not yet committed to become specific cell type are. Dividing cells not yet committed to become specific cells are called, or which type of cells? Epidermal, ground cells, periderm cells, or meristematic cells. So it is the meristematic cells which are having totipotent cells which divide and which not yet committed to become the specific cell types. Means differentiation is not there in the meristems. Intercalary meristem is the derivative of promeristem, primary meristem, lateral meristem, secondary meristem. Intercalary meristem is the primary meristem. The living part of xylem is xylem tracheids, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma. None of these. It is the parenchyma which is the living part. Rajasthan PMT, RPMT. So assertion and reasoning type question. So assertion is collenchyma is thick-walled tissue. The reason is collenchyma is thickened due to deposition of pectin. Okay, it's 100% true. So both here the options will be given like this: if both the assertion and reasoning are true and the reason explains the assertion. If both assertion and reason are true but reason does not explain the assertion. If assertion is true but reason is false. If assertion is false but reason is true. But here collenchyma is thick-walled tissue. Okay, collenchyma is thickened due to the deposition of pectin. So it is both are correct and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, okay children. So the questions which are given in the worksheet may be limited. There are many questions from the chapter, so you have to understand the concept read the lesson. Okay, plant tissues and animal tissues in the regular also it is there. You please read the textbook. Okay children, next apical meristems can found in the leaves, tip of the shoots and roots, the xylem cells, the epidermal cells. So it is present in the tip of shoots and roots. Okay, which type of plant cells has a thick primary cell walls and no secondary cell wall? Only primary cell wall but no secondary cell wall. It is used to support the growing part of the plant. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, guard cells. Thick primary wall is present in the collenchyma. Next, what type of vascular tissue is responsible for the transporting the sugar made in photosynthesis from the leaves to the roots? Cuticle, phloem, stomata, xylem. So in plants there are two major vascular tissues are there, xylem and phloem. So it is the phloem which transport the sugars. Which tissue type does not which tissue type does a majority of the photosynthesis? Dermis, ground tissue, meristematic tissue, vascular tissue. So it is the ground tissue. Okay, ground tissue consisting of parenchyma. The parenchyma which is present in the leaves, it is called as palisade parenchyma. Okay, which perform the photosynthesis function. Which of the following structures allow for gaseous exchange between a leaf and the atmosphere? Cuticle, phloem, stomata, xylem. So it is the stomata which helps in the exchange of gases. Okay children, I hope you followed the video. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.